Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing my Ipsy bag unboxing. This month it comes in this cute little festive gold sequin bag, and then it is black on the side. I thought it was really cute for the holidays. And then I'm just going to kind of real quickly go through everything I got, minus one item because I did leave it upstairs because I was pretty excited to use it. So I used it today for work. So yeah. The first item that I received was this Farrah Cosmetics 35E blending brush. And it is just this gold brush. I do think it's cute. It is, it's really light, but the bristles feel really nice. I'm excited to use it and test it out. So yeah, I'm excited about that. You can never have too many brushes. The next thing is this Bang Beauty Smoked Peach Blush, and it's actually a really nice size. It looks like this, and the color is gorgeous. So that is it swatched. I did wear this today as well, and it was amazing. Yeah, it was really beautiful. And then the next thing is this Catherine Natural Cosmetics. This is their Sienna's Highlight. This brand says it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. This was a gorgeous highlight. It looks like this in the pan. I wore almost every single product that I got today, and I loved every single one of them. And then I did not wear this today, but this is the Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner, and this is in the shade Mocha. So this is just a brown liquid liner, and that's just it swatched. It felt very creamy, but I'm just working on using a different eyeliner up, so I just didn't use it. And then the last thing I have to show you guys is this Delectable Ultra Nourishing Hand Cream, and this is an iced gingerbread. I didn't wear this today, but I did smell it last night, and it smelled so good, and I do know that I like this brand's lotion a lot. And then the last thing I got is a Ciate London glitter flip, and I'm sorry I forgot to show you guys, but that is it for my Ipsy bag unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and yeah, that is it. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys.